Are you finding that no matter what you do, even in sparring or in real combat, you immediately arrive at heavy breathing? Well, today I'm going to change that. Hi, I am Hong Ling for sixdragonskungfu.com. I'm ready to share with you the easiest way to improve your fighting endurance. Before starting, make sure you subscribe. Each time I will publish contents like this, you'll get notified. Question for you: how long can you maintain a quality combat performance? Let me know it, leaving a comment with your average fighting endurance. The reason I am asking is I want to check out your replies to give you specific advice. I truly want your fighting skills to grow. Whether you are completely out of practice or training seriously, following these simple tips, you will understand immediately how to improve your fighting skills. The reason why, despite a serious workout, you are immediately out of breathing is that you neglect the most fundamental aspects of a serious martial preparation aimed at the fight. You need to make the right tactical decisions. Breathing, economy of energies, bodily state adaptation, and last but not least, psychological implications. Never fight in apnea. Proper breathing is as important as ventilation in a computer. The reason why you instinctively tend to hold your breathing is that this deceives you to be more concentrated and to do not waste time in a useless action. Nothing could be more wrong. Breath strengthens strokes, renews body's energies, manages your timing, and above all, along with sweating, it prevents body from overeating. Whatever you do, synchronize it naturally with your breathing. To learn how to do it, insert this new habit into your daily training and into your other daily activities. It will become a completely automatic attitude. Start to become synthetic. Even the most trained fighters must know how to dose their efforts. Choose your goal, escape, flee, and so on, and eliminate all the movements that do not bring you closer to it. Let's see a few examples. It is better to throw small control punches, waiting to deliver the strong one, rather than continuing to give maximum power shots to the void. Staying on the move is a good thing, but continuing to make jumps with a wide lifting from the ground or leaping is disadvantageous and consumes a lot of energy. If you are more muscular, to impose your strength on the opposing one may appear a good idea, but it is the best way to reduce your energies to zero in a blink of an eye. Instead, use a technique, or better yet, push your opponents to waste their power needlessly. Let's be clear, all these are only examples. They can also be tactical choices. The focal point is to evaluate your level during training and adjust the strategy accordingly. Choose the right body state. In Six Dragons Kung Fu, We distinguish different body states, but to maintain the things simple, let's talk about stiffness and relaxation. The more your body is stiff, the more time and energies you will need to move it. The more your body is relaxed, the less energies and time you will need to make it work. You can make a simple test. Try to stay 1 hour in your bed with all your muscles totally tensed and 1 hour with your body completely relaxed. Then feel the incredible difference of effort. The human body is not made to be constantly in tension. When it is tense, it means that the muscles are working uselessly. To do not enter into complex concepts of our style, the key point is that rigidity is not to be avoided. It should be limited only to the moment of contact, less than 1% of the total time of a combat. Psychological implications. To be mentally tense is equal to be physically tense. Unintentionally suffering of the influence of emotions and sensations like anger, fear, frustration, and so on, inevitably leads our fighting capabilities to be alterated. Anger leads to use rapidly and ineffectively all of our forces. Fear makes us rigid, and so on. If on one hand to reach a Zen state of mind is a matter of years and years of practice and meditation, on the other side we have a possibility. The first is awareness. Noticing your mental state and recognizing its effects immediately decrease their intensity. The second is to find a controlled but strong enthusiasm in your memory. You have to focus on the most constructive, positive and winning moments of your life. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll answer it. Make sure to like the video, share it and subscribe. I am Hong Ling for sixdragonskungfu.com. See you in the next video.